But second half, no, only a game one. Saudi Arabia for the Baby Boy. The child say yes, almost determined. Some may be at your mom mind. And the other say young players are on my selection. On the best show, say a national jersey and on my share and to be cool and your mom mind. Say almost Bibisa and show Mutruma. I hope say Ghana be a better results.
Okay, and I know Pastoral Paradise. In summer, and also area to Jamaica said a higher command 97.1 and then you have more executive pub and OTM and I want to boys, girls, and they open baby up to 2B Anunum Bidia, executive pub every weekend, and they know why we were pray so relaxing home, they know Vika a bo executive pub now Betty and also bar Obinia be safe for Banku Conte, Bibia episode, you know, or by executive pub. And also on sa can't do a fear, then no ultimia, yes, bra executive power. And one was what everything announced from society, and know, and one was yes. We see actions so count, and I want me go see account. Aha, we're heavy. We're heavy to know. I'm going to get all my accounts on the mark. No. It's so maybe I will feel our team, you know, because the executive power and I need Yaba payment. Never call up face, you know, and if fans need Yabanum. At me, Edding, come out now, every summer, Bakum, you know. I drop of years on them, and so on, I was stand by on the 2 room now, so on, and 8 fans on them, and so on, at me, Eddie, and come out now. I know, what we can say, maybe I come up, maybe I did them.
Papa, as you said earlier, yes, your executive pub, a war, now. It's the Qatar 2022, and then Ghana versus Portugal. Now we are out, you're on the road show. Now, supporters. Ebiba, wow, it's executive pub. 4 p.m. Pino 100% say. How do you look at the Ghana versus Portugal? Pino, I'm proud about Okuma 97.1.
Yes. Let me say, make sure it's your phone now. And then I can work out with you for a long time. Then the Portugal, and then they say, first, let me say, but I said, many begging, I start. But see, line up both teams, I should be a there. I think, Portugal, their lineup, we can't say anything about it. But Ghana, Senna, Sulukaino, also, Nanko, they say, Gideon Mensah, best at the same thing. Because matches I have a bad 3-4 on Wabo, so let me just say Baba de Anka. Because Baba in reading this season on yet Papa Biasa. And I think say now rather prefer say you be midfield and boom 5. Nanka go back 5, but coach in anymore okay. I think say you to keep you near maybe send other teams in you are what start here you might be with the draw no say yeah may home that confidence they say say oh yeah challenge young pipe say on paper you say Portugal is far but you say Ghana be that you Serbia that was 2010 and 26 breakthrough 99 you see it to be here you say beat Messi because if he plays the last match with Switzerland, I think boys was surprisingly very that boy knows or bench Semenyo. I haven't seen the trend but Adam which any confidence or the war 18 more to be go grand. That means Rebecca Krabi kudos and I to change to be brave not to be brave no to be my passes, Echo Williams. I said, we love it to listen to you.
I want to say it should be a win for Ghana. Yeah, now, yes, Okuman, your executive pub supporters, you know, Omoba. And then Ghana, what's your take on it?
Ghana and Portugal, they have pain, you know, with Michelle, but and then, they have a say. And revenge in Ghana. If you team coach the other, the struggle is to win our most now. Senior, pass it to woman, William winning. So far, you want to say young don't say William because William and then when you say William
who predictions for today? We need to one. Yes, what's in the we need to one. I mean, for boys more. There were executive power. Wow, we do. Executive power in the Kuman 97.1 today, and then I got Black Stars versus Portugal. Your expectations?
Oh, I'm so expected. I'm for them and somewhere. I'm not disappointed.
You mean who expecting Ghana? Are you talking about Ghana or Portugal?
I'm talking about Ghana. So you're Ghana.
Okay.
If you know, I love this country, and I'm expecting to be in my but the problem, it's because of the as big, and I'm person will be free. You see that kind of thing. That's what I'm doing.
I was supposed to buy that 3 years. You didn't know the planning.
What's right? No. I'm just saying because Ronaldo has an improvement.
Well, no, see, Portugal, they share Ghana. But somebody differs from here. Also, only say Ghana.
Oh, say that your friend is the match is very cordial. It's been more than a week, but it's there. Ghana team the year ready. If we want to be realistic, Ghana year ready. It's too many to build their but what out.
Ediabo Command 97.1. Ebredu the third match of the day. Ebabe dan yetiefo ene yahwefo we no game the defending champions France ene omaya ye from Denmark ana edu omo to say womo ebebo the second round of the matches so far as our group no concern and ewie no matine minimi ebu team yebetuja papa anopa ni mu no unse pa solo paradise or the live commentary eba na it was a game between African contingent Tunisia womane Australia ne boy Fofia Ntoata ama Tunisia elusi by a goal to 0 to Australia womonso Edison Kukono eko so far Tunisia bought 2 matches okuta 1 point. And so I can last game on so ne France ya anebetumi abo saso ana ushemwa Saudi Arabia women so enjoy a Cinderella moment against Argentina last week mo baby sa nanso ene Poland Robert Lewandowski ne mrante no atiesi form etwa wo 2 goals to 0 women tumi anya won hwe third game no anande no yade eba the defending champions of France and Denmark ana ebo hot oven ofla okoman yen kokata 2022 live commentary obejene ewo Facebook okoman radio 97.1 Sasonal Jenny ewo YouTuber and also okoman radio 971 graphics ni nyina yedi guo the graphics ni nyina and so eguo Jongra Kofi Anson Bafo executive producer ejinemu the finest ewomu DJs Gibi DJ Vibes producer AK Ajua Opokua Zonam Pa Solo Paradise DJ Donsi John McFadden omunyina buama jumedie no so no etumi akonkan your commentator this early evening ya krobia asante mitinemu atuja ama nioma nso etumi akonkan intempara so yemfa afenumienu emrantia duba kwa wo moyi wo mse wo munyiremu na jumedie na nkoso no entugwa uhwemu ewo France coach Didier Deschamps Coach Didier Deschamps 4-2-3-1 formation. Goalkeeper Hugo Lloris. Onona captain. Elsewhere de Le Bleu of France. 4 back, defenders in the Senate here. Julius Koundé, when Yanni start, Ababe Brantia, Jeffreno Benjamin Pavard, or starting in the first game. Sassuana Tio Hernandez were maintaining the spot after sending brother Lucas Hernandez injury in their first game, 4-5, Eya Brantia, your friend Rafael Varane, or no Ababe, a Brantia friend Ibrahima Koneta in the first game, no starting here, and FA. Dayo Upamecano, Wamonso, Ebo, Ejuma Manioma Konkain. In 15 mienu say net here, Aurelem Chouamini, any Abrantia Freno, Ednan Rabiot, Anna Ebo. The 3 forwards, and then Munu say net here, Antoine Griezmann, Ebo as number 10, number 7, Osman Dembele, number 11, Kylian Mbappé Lotin, Anna the main man forward. Olivier Giroud, ananei otem ojeso benya go back kunefe wabeye France all-time top scorer unim se no wetumi yiku opanyina yefia no Thierry Henry ni all-time record goal owadema the Blues of France no 51 onyaba akukanwa neche wasete foforo e de ato Jeremu ewo Denmark asoye a 3-4-3 formation no openi aye freno Jumat manager no so edi aba beto abonti goalkeeper Kasper Schmeichel Peter Schmeichel neba Sasso Anna Nelson Andreas Christensen ene Joachim Andersen womune complete back three no uremu fifi enai no a Maile one Christensen nebo as left and right full back no Sasso na fifi mienu no Christian Eriksen and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang wamune jiremu enimu wamiensa no anase obroni beka se attacking trio no eye Mikel Damsgaard Andres Colenius and Limstrod wamona neno wamuwe jiremu referee ojiremu aye Simon Masiniak or your Polish international referee ene FIFA upon so no megina game we no to ayirem na pere yo said ya FIFA kan say ni game no e fair play no asumdwe kwan so afanu mienu no emfa nhihye so na nkunimdie nkoma dia we deserve so betumi awini so far about 3 minutes of action so far go behind to me MPM emfama either side and game no ababetu echire ho sa etiama Denmark in 50 abretire wa babedu Andreas Christensen ajwa ya shege na say early stages so far nioma de kan team siri nyina ehwe nim se wo mo be settle na nioma etumi akonkan
so far so good. France versus Denmark. But so far me who say Denmark they are the party pass, they've come to the party. Denmark, I owe to me France. And I almost say World Cup no more baby. It's an easy game for Denmark. But defending champions, which is France, they already have their 3 points. And Menim said they will do all they can to gather their 6 points to sit comfortably at the top of the table. And Menim say France na ebe wini. 4 minutes there. There is more time to have the goals in this game. But Scrobia Mireho say Saudi Arabia. My inina yenijie. And your mukro. So I was telling them, say, World Cup na fina ya shasi. The holiday is over. BBI over. Ene omo come here. Anye Tunisia to the same. But they have another game. Year. Came very good because the new ones in the tournament say, if they are able to go forward, it would be good. Let's not forget Ghana, my motherland, Black Stars. Obiambo Empire, my Black Stars.
Obiambo Empire, fama Black Stars of Ghana. And eke game no ya shasie ya bosi menua obi pia to me and to atna.
Yes, Kirby, I think that we know a tense game, papa, game, another thing, another say, and I wish Denmark, their last two meetings between Denmark and France, and in Denmark and Young couldn't be beating France in the qualifiers back to back. So I say back to back, and France, and so no it means Kuku over Denmark in the last 5 meetings between Denmark. In the last 5 meetings between Denmark and France, France are winning 2, Denmark are winning 2, 1 and so no ultimately I draw. As you tell us that win tough game at the mouth and Didier Deschamps, I think that the only changes are Abemoni Abrantes and the 2 Hernandez that all started Ediama France at the left back. Is and say Abrantes Lucas Hernandez injury in their first game. So now Jules Koundé so ultimately Abemu. These are the only changes are coach and Didier Deschamps so it's my in a French setup. We call Denmark Afema and then it's actually baby the likes of Abrantes and the and so the Dorbeck and Abrantes and the Braithwaite Munya players on to man chat here Denmark team anymore. But I hope and wish that Denmark with Menyan could be our game because Denmark over the years in the last 2-3 years in Europe, they've been very, very solid and better in Europe than France. We compare Euros, the last Euros, Denmark went all the way to the semi-finals. Almost could do here. Although now almost skipper in that tournament and was Christian Eriksen. Okonya incidents, injury, and so I went to Mambobina, independent BBC, but they went all out to reach the semi-finals. And over the years, and they've been consistent in their team. Over Europe, our first team to qualify to the World Cup was Denmark. Obi and Washomo in their group, and the Charles said, "I'm very, very solid." So coming into this game, hopes I know that they would deliver. Tactics, no share formation about typical 5-back. The Lions, when they are defending, you see the Lions they are really defending and want to play the French people on the break. And you sure they are phenomenal which may deliver at their mind in the first half.
Yanchedia afenumie but to me in the first 45 minutes ye go remove Facebook Okuma Radio 97.1 Mumra muba meka chire zigina odieka to so na wahwade muba meka chire zigi wa aba fake to so na yanhwade ha if ye ha ye hu pa but ebono pa enu de o se o tan okodua na we nimriko bonaba bedu ene center line bonaba bedu center line kuta Abrantes friend Theo Hernandez we jemu diama dayo pamikano to Rafael Varane kaka neni wadane so no ediaba right hand side was Osman Dembele Osman ababedu Antoine Griezmann so ediama Abrantes your friend Jules Koundé bona kwa kodue chiro Theo Hernandez kutabone sa Olem Chouamini bona babedu Adrien Rabiot diama Griezmann to Rafael Varane to Jules Koundé to Osman Dembele nipa mienu odiafa omuntemo diama Griezmann diama bona kwa kodue fifi Olem Chouamini akwa do Theo Hernandez Theo Hernandez ever far left with Chabone dia same wo when na diniti apod diniti aka Olivier Giroud na so watu ampa ho Olivier Giroud in the 16-yard box bono efofro no into a 29 and cambono bono fofro Olivier Giroud e was 16-yard box ni mu oni goalkeeper no Kasper Schmeichel eto benkum ni so ye dia ka Giroud etenet Giroud no makachira say eni bro dia ba game we mu no enya asem ketwa because of a goal back pe na wabaye all time top scorer ediama French for national team no we twa Raymond no mo we twa Michel Platini no mo say wababe ikuo Thierry Henry amani ometumi akonkan nti opego ba ko pa dia ye na de bona ba bedu etiro aprantia otwabo na sisem o na so Hugo Lloris, goalkeeper for the Blues of France, with Shabono sa Achirasanga Daso. Oh yeah, I say Akuka eneno Ninkesia Edubro be pai Butu so dende Ounse obekum no kura nya de obe sore. Entia no. Bona kwa kodu Theo Hernandez with Jemu Diama, Adrian Rabiot Diama, Oilem Chouamini Diama, Antoine Griezmann to Pamecano with Jemu Diama, Adrian Rabiot to Chouamini to Theo Hernandez, Oguso Ejina bonus with Jemu Diako, Kylian Mbappé Lotu Diama Griezmann Loketi. Mbappé back now so entumi afa ababedu echire wosa Upamecano ejemu ediama Chouamini diama Griezmann diama Mbappé lotin ya ka Kylian Mbappé ato o benkuma fem ewo nifa afa so ewo Denmark como defensive area o ya ka Kylian Mbappé ato ntiye infringement referee whistle Simon Masiniak Polish international referee. Osi yambo fentia Denmark. Enti referee ni guso hihye human war no. Otwabo na system wo na so. Ama Abratia ya freno Andres Colenius One Rafael Varane ne ko esoro Colenius e wini bonu ntiye corner kicker yambo fentia Denmark corner kicker ye body etia Denmark Antoine Griezmann or the ball ato wa gini host red wa koneti ode na benkuma ne ba be chiesim we chiesim tenten wan ode niti aka brate wa bona so Clarence ne tumi esu ewa Denmark fo echo bona ba be du fifi won baba na so goalkeeper Dayo Pamecano o passing the goalkeeper Hugo Lloris nsu etwa sisemu o Oilem Chouamini akosoro Ousmane Dembele yese wedi enwamo nsem Ousmane Dembele wedi enwamo nsem ediatia abrantie frɛ no Nelson. It's a referee. It was a dangerous header from Rafael Varane. Nanka ohye nim so betumi ato atena. Varane now so equally good clearance from the back line of the Danes. And the red and white no wamune kutabono Andres Christensen achine kontinten Andres Christensen or diama Nelson kutabono with chasing same mutiten or she Christensen akwakodu Christensen we jemu diama Lindstrom or yes or the consumer man to me atentama famano Antoine Griezmann to William Chouamini wadane asanimu Ediama Julius Kunde we pia so tenten Ediama oni Ousmane Dembele want to ne sunanso Wombo to me wini born back and abedu Rafael Varane diako Adrian Rabiot to Varane to Upamecano to Theo Hernandez. Ewa France fuechi wasa Hernandez di mrika papa we jemu diama Kylian Mbappé Lotin Odene na faso we beating ma kabako wasanso ejemu ediama Oilem Chouamini diama aprantie friend Theo Hernandez on the ball line so sa opeso sanimu shane tenten ohwehwe Ousmane Dembele Ousmane Saka oyeso beating ma kana so nyoma ntumi atentam Ousmane Dembele still okuta ball no wadani mu o we twase semu wan na diniti ka Olivier Giroud one Joachim Anderson is stubborn wɔn kɔ wie mu paa ɛyɛ corner kick referee si dɛbi hyɛ referee si goal kick rather ɔsi Joachim ɛpin bɔɔl no ɛsan so pɛm Olivier Giroud nimɛti nti goal kick ayɛ to Andres Christensen kuta bɔɔl no saa wɔtwa sise mu hwehwɛ Christensen nanso bɔɔl no ɛkɔ wayward ɛyɛ throwing a yɛto mfɛntia Denmark the reds and whites ɛne wɔn mmerane anaasɛ the Danish Dynamite the Danish Dynamite open so ya the red and white wɔn no nti ɛnɛ wobɛpie mu a wɔn hyɛ white top red down ana hose no nyinaa yɛ white saa nti ɛno ana wɔn hyɛ ana hose masa yɛn de yɛni di papa bia nickname no yɛni papa bia nti no yɛmfa the red and white saa ɛno ana ne yɛn colors yɛho fesuo ɛno ana ne yɛn din nti Tio Hernandez atubo no saa de akakoma Dayo Pamecano ejemu diama Rafael Varane epiepia so de ba Olivier Giroud abeje bono beautifully diama Julius Koundé naso ne maka waba beje bono womo ba kitikiti abrante frɛ no Rafael Varane ne 19 Alantasa naino akike dwuremu space bianim what the can kitu ebi no ko 3 weeks 4 weeks 5 weeks naino etare ho se dia eduanta no etare ho se duanta echisa Nelson Diamandres Christensen ewo woma fam woma ba be wuremu center circle ho nemu Nelson itiri hu fita Diama Christensen womu diagro center akinim Pona Kakodu Anderson Odiamani goalkeeper Kasper Schmeichel no dinin kwea dima Leicester City or English Premier League ni mwa 2015 that shocking EPL title Leicester City bobre mo babeje no na Kasper Schmeichel no da post ni mu junu yimwa no buna ketem kopie mu the French League Championnat aussi akadema OGC Nice the French League ni mu Miley ujabo ni mu dia kwa koma Hobie Christensen to Hobie Nitino eson kama fefe Christensen Jemu Jama Nelson Miley to Nelson nti Christensen omu hihiem se omu betumi anya kwang bia na omu abuewre mu pona ba bedu Miley ewo left hand side was anaso Osman Dembele adeba kwa mepe wono no you're very swift, fast, and pacey. Nti ebani se yen recover party out per winger or to me recover year. Osman Dembele account. Osman Dembele Bonaba Bedu Massa. This should have been yellow card. A Quenim Kakranka straight red card because Untumi Yasadi Debbie Andres Christensen Olivier Giroud and Kagoni there Obeshe we beat you on between Philippe and I said Joachim Anderson and Andres Christensen and one more locate Olivier Giroud we jibo on the side of our Munteman Koko Christensen say and Griezmann beautiful pass Oji Wamokra we wamo wa femu Kylian Mbappé Latin or you fast and Kawedie on Olivier Giroud combine one over here the keeper never right and we jadi ama left na edem na aye sulutu agombia hotovin ofla okumani yanko kata 2021 match day 21 22, yes, 22. Mbwejuma 22. Ana Eneno. Yes, game 22. Okay. Mumbu awechi wasana enyoma konkai. Mumbu awechi wana enyoma konkai. 22. Ana Eneno yabo. Nti abogem sidudo na ya bogem sidudo na Oyerem Chouamini wajibo no diama Theo Hernandez to Kylian Mbappe Lottin we yi diama Theo Hernandez to Oyerem Chouamini to Rafael Varane Alanto ekemu pena kemu akakodi Dayo Upamecano to Theo Hernandez to Upamecano back Upamecano wajibo no dia to wasa odebekone chirana pressure biya ni sunti onu so eja to na odene na prepre 21 minutes go biya to mimbaye 21 minutes go biya to mimbaye obia jibona obo eboniye both fans no they've been solid at the back and so far France now say one more attacking kakra eke 21 minutes. Your boy Remu Dako, 22nd minute of the game. France 0, Denmark 0.
Yes, Krobia Osha, it was a big opportunity. Edema Abrantani did Andre Rabiot, but goalkeeper Kasper Schmeichel hit me about to the rescue of the Danes. 21-22 minutes, still a 0-0. I mean, sure, I'm just surprised the game no 0-0 because I'm kind of a very, very tense game, very compact game. And yeah, they are Danish for no, and I said the Danes, I can say Amontana was the French and MSO because in their last two meetings, a back-to-back win for Denmark for no, almost on Tanawa France for the almost that. But I think they need to be disciplined in terms of their challenger. I'm going to give them tackles and they know. I'm very, very careful. Oshe, you see, Ansana way by now, Branson and Andres Christensen. I was surprised that Ochema from where Mbappe was. Olivier Giroud was in front of Mbappe. Now, Onono Christensen was born in him. Now, Mbappe be passing in between Onono Christensen and the other defender. Mbappe winning born Ansana all foul now. I think it was very, very sloppy on the side of our brand friend Christian Eriksen and Maniko D. Yellow card. Now, once again, another tackle from Denmark for now, and so now resulting to another yellow card. Amunsheni, you about just 23 minutes. You have more minutes to play, and to make it such challenges now resulting into cards. Maybe the baby never affected team, and I'm sure now red card acquired. These French people so shorted by one. 11 can punish you. Now much more so shorted by one. They will definitely punish you. And almost careful. But one thing I must study in the French team is they want to use the pace of their forwards. No from BT and Denmark for the light of Mbappe and I think tonight Abrante and the Osman Dembele. And then the strategy coach and Didier Deschamps. Oyusu, he's not playing through the middle and Kabe say Abrante and the Chouamini Ewini Bono release Diama Andre Rabiot now Rabiot so no distribution. The real thing is Omunya about the right back Abrante and the Juice Kunde and also Diama Dembele then Dembele be using the pace and then the skills so no the BT players nothing so crosser Olivier Giroud definitely in the air no better and saying most of defenders were Denmark and they be resulting to go. A call left side as well. They will use Abrante and Mbappe. Mbappe in player because of better ball across it. Maybe from the right side cutting and maybe we're shooting from that side. And then the strategy Didier Deschamps and so you in the last 25 minutes yeah but it will give me. But I mean say Elcon and Nimsa strategy na work then Obabe Yusu the midfielder. Now we will try and use Abrante and Antoine Griezmann to make sure so non-dribble pass 2 or 3 players, nothing so no on supply pass and then from Olivier Giroud. In the last 24-25 minutes, game now very, very compact. And France tactically, we are very disciplined and they are playing according to instructions of their coach Didier Deschamps. I'm sure the other minutes are kind of so a bit to me producing.
Yanchedia minutes are kind of 20 minutes. Na yadi ofedi kaini nyina banewie ye 20 minutes there ebi wo mu papa 20 minutes ebi wɔ mu papa nti ɛno no Olivier Giroud anhwɛ Denmark fon wɔma wɔn yɛ wadeɛ wɔn ahu sɛ deɛ area balls no o peke na wɔn nso nim sɛ corners nso de wɔn bɛ concede bi pa nti wɔyi wo fi mu anani Mbappe ɔnhyɛ soro goal abrante frɛ no Antoine Griezmann before ɔbɛhyɛ soro goal na wabɔ more than a season wɔn akeka ne nyinaa ɛmfa Tchouaméni nom kra deɛ wɔn de wɔn mu nkan kra Ousmane Dembele ɔno ɔde ne ti bobo mu ahyɛ goal anawana nti wɔn ɛkele baako efiri mu n'efe wɔn ho ahehan wɔn mpɔna bɛ abɛdu Victor Nelson Nina Musa referee masa wa block pass fɛfɛɛfɛ Andres Colenius we twa okuta yellow card dada nti no sese no ni aba no so pa o yellow card pona ba bedu Joachim Anderson we twa tenten ohwehwɛ Miley ohwehwɛ Joachim Miley Julius Koundé ahead the ball no dia kotro enti Joachim Miley watu ball no dia mani nua nanso eyie free wo pona ba bedi aprante frɛ no Victor Nelson wa pass dia ma Andre Christensen ono so edi akwa koma Cornelius no sese ono no midfield no gba na asa a throw in Kylian Mbappe Lotin best young player 2018 the last edition of the FIFA World Cup a course war Russia no World Cup ya ye bueni 4 years pepepe owie na best young player waje nti afidi o hye nim se nyoma betumi akonkan na waje best player na nkasa opani ni de no because they say wenyi we free young mu nti wenyi opekese na nkasa aje ne model de e konkan ya ne sa Adrien Rabiot baby edu ne de wa na ato mpanidie no wa na ato ntene upo etu se usua Pogba na wo san sua kanta account because ankrofi eduma wode ama wo ne Tchouaméni de mo be bre pa but mo nhyɛ da kura nhia e mo be bre pa enya mo fra na eze eduma no kante Pogba dem papa before be bra kasabri Varane no mo ada we kire okra wonwene hwe Hugo Lloris before be kire ball back on de na wotwe biesa pona ba bedum fifi o Joachim Anderson abe wurem wo fifi wasa we twa center circle wa pass dia mani nua nanso Dayo Upamecano o se be ko corner de ene enkotro niti son papa nti Lemstrom patu bono e dia bre Joachim Christensen nanso Theo Hernandez we protect the ball no ama when you go kick and so ediama when you go kick ediama France on Lindstrom o ma kun ho sa ajoa 29 minutes e approach 30 minutes mwani so far game no obi bia into atna France 0 Sasuna Denmark the red and white 0 Adwa
France I say France bre I can see him and I'm very impressed with Denmark so far ball on mobile to say on my back no they are really safeguarding their goalposts. they are not giving Mbappe and Co a chance at all. This should tell you, say, Shena almost show back to back. No, it wasn't a fluke. Nah, on my chest almost born, money ball, but send number share goals, no, and how to go forward in this tournament. Because if you can stand, if you can withstand the defending champions France, score them back to back, even in this tournament, we have to show. And if they're able to score France, I guess they will try or also move forward or tournament. And 30 minutes. Meaning say Qatar 2022 because it's the second half. Into me share game now. I'm mostly concerned about the second half. The second half, the game can be slow. The first half, a second half, whoever wants to go forward and whoever wants to win the game, that is when it shows. That is where both coaches tactically, they come on board to show what they are made of. Into game me personally, they may try in second half, then we'll see if Denmark are the ones that would win this game and our France.
Oshenim say second half ni de emu be ye asin said ya ofedi kan ye hunu no Bonaba bedu esro wasa Lindstrom Onitio Hernandez and Newombo wo Tayo Pamikano akomu referee say eyedian Simon Masiniak ojedian e corner kick ana referee osidabi share Osidabi da ente go kika ye body etia the Danish Dynamite ye body etia omo amani omanso etumi akonkan openi la kostu idie washache Denmark for coach no Josman ne la kostu no ayesembidie Obishela Kosna Oshayacha Uniko Munipe Sana Denmark Jusman manager Nela Kosno Enya Fofro crack Bonaba Bedu Upamikano we charity towards Griezmann Saka Griezmann wa pass diama Kylian Mbappe Lotin we jemu diama Griezmann anso anko omotumi wini ball no Joachim Andersen wasanso pass diama ni nua Bonaba Bedu If you peche sana so Griezmann asa jene bono de Olivier Giroud Griezmann will right in the box no chane so goalkeeper Abedu Osman Dembele was set de ama Chouamini de nitiabom na Abedu Dembele wo Dembele 18 mu na wo mo guguru bono ho bo shot na pem oyidi nitipim na pem na ekobasa enti bono Abedu Julius Kunde tu Willem Chouamini to Upamecano to Osman Dembele to Julius Kunde onenwa ne Barcelona intende sweetie Xavi Buejuma Nenzano eweki wo Spain Nenzansu Buejuma wo France nze obikan se Barcelona team no eyeyia na Spain national team no so ayeyie baby abasa wo bia eye wo be 3-4 Barcelona players wo national team we didi wo munye ni hafo kra ban se yen tak pa dia Pedri Gavi mi sro wo mo papa Europa League FC Barcelona versus Manchester United I can't wait me je cherche un crossing what can find an ebe Barcelona referee Simon Masiniak kosi Willem Chouamini na ye chiano Willem Chouamini ye chiano edina to fam ete a free kick ayen bon fetia the Danish Dynamite na ni o man so antumi ankon kan goalkeeper Kasper Schmeichel or your top notch goalkeeper pa dinamo tin Griezmann abre nso boa baby okunedu no wa na bebo yeyi wa hwan no wo capabilities awo any experience awo no hwan pa no tiechi ayeyi Griezmann oba obi eni wo obebo ten newu obebo ewu na enenkanya General Ngolo Conte, Paul Abile, Possibility Pogba, Blaise Matuidi. Don't go there. Bonaba Betui, Abrantia Efreno, Colenos Wabo shot. What? Andres Colenius. The ball on the nam. The Sunny Faso, the attacking left side of France. Poshot to Niye. Goalkeeper Hugo Lloris. Otipon moi. Sebo Nembrana conference and council. Colenius off target. Off target. And the Bresupa, not the boss abono. Didier Deschamps, the last World Cup, Obo, as the manager for the Blues of France in here. Obiepe, Ninuya, Ketwa, Zinedine, Yacine Zidane, Nechese 98, scored a Wamudi ye hosted Wino, Bebrenana Cocochino, Patrice Vieira, Onozo, Otemu Crystal Palace. Inti said the Anyama Kono, Zidane so ewie dia na chese Patrice Vieira. Claude Makelele no nyina Temu Academy. Inti sa Makelele ono de no Temu Denmark 98. No Temu Denmark and 98 is no France pour Denmark 2-1. Ma wamo toko suko wini host and win trophy no. Manuome tumia konkan. Olivier Giroud e banus robo di alboa. Enti ya bo 37 minutes. 37 minutes aka 8 minutes. Simano wa pepe na yede. Ofedi kaino etumia banewie referee Simon Masiniak. Any injury time kakra ono so de beto so Austin ye wremu ama ofedi kan etumi abanewe so far what witness 37 minutes of action so far between Denmark and France Janhu kakra
me who says France no we France team ani enim from 2006 now almost strength na ya midfield Makelele mo Patrice Vieira mo Zinedine Zidane mo be 2018 so near Ngolo Kante Blaise Matuidi Paul Pogba but no mo use more strength tunya o mo use more wins no pace no tunya block your more pace forward now there's a France team na kasa na aba from we Adam Rabiot ya obo midfield and say obinya Ngolo Kante bia na say Paul Pogba bia obembo long pass no obeye gidigidi attack ni nyina man but we team ya ehuni ne ya o block your more wins na so block or more pace forward na na France team no aba from no one that some use more pace because they have Olivier Giroud bia ball na fast out to 9 man na obetu ahye be 6 nti Denmark for use more midfield no mo Christiansen mo bomb midfield no enfa overcome France because France for man what na this time na e your more wins play no nti we na overcome sad na wa block France for now no
anona Austin Egegu no o say France national team no one more channel of supplies ni nyina nam intenteno a one more channels a one more the supply balls ni nyina ye intenteno a eba far right of the attack na call far left of the attack one more you see the pace of Ousmane Dembele and that of Kylian Mbappé Lotin ana one more the pego and it say to me actually sa nkrofo ejira ho ti se dia obi tumi tinase na osoro sa na anse a kire ne nan no utumi ye bisa etia sa mpanifo mienu ya mfifi wone de age egu bibia age egu Griezmann Tchouaméni Adrien Rabiot that exquisite passes no incisive ones no womun ntumi mabi enti Giroud de Mbappé Shia because Giroud na nenai nya wo femo Mbappé untumi nya sadi enti was a long ball Edima Abrantia Freno Ousmane Dembele oyi Kylian Mbappé a pressure bia ni so ne nkoten Amen kotin. Nti Kylian Mbappe ono kotin no gina won so. Wetuma fa koto anyen kwan. Hwabo ne sensem baby kra. Nti Christensen Ojibo no na referee abo aben. O say Upamecano ndenen. Odene Colenius no ene Juma wa ye no waji yellow card but still the oya no ye Tio Hernandez eni Upamecano wa fa wo mo e obenkuma fem sa oni wo mu wu ono enche ebe ina fim Colenius no enche second half no ye wure mu a enche ebe ina fimu the billionaire himself Martin Braithwaite Basa nyame ba kopa Messi kwen okoje wo nkwa Basa ajenkwa hye oshego bi di asabia masa Martin Braithwaite osi akan pa eke dobano no eke 41 minutes akasima no 9 ene dia Simon Masini aklibeto so ne de ofedi kan ni nyina banewe ye 0-0 no go to either side.
Yes, Corbia still 0-0 in a game. Senegal Americano and Austin so they Kakano the way the French team is playing, they are using the wings. That's their strategy. That's the only option. Omukra Sisia in the team. So we use the likes of Mbappe and Dembele. We use some then Omeya supplies in Olivier Giroud. Then so Dembele into me and ball entry in box anymore. Ojibo entry on the wings are the best thing that Oyan is the over cross the ball. Edema Olivier Giroud, who is the center forward and is a top man up front. Edema at the French national team, no, and also know defenders and also was in the mark, you know, and so they're very very close. Someone close marking rather than say be Omega say yeah more space now. Also know what to me at their head of ball and Mbappe. Me said that in home Mbappe will give me Mbappe in no from PSG and also in the last World Cup ball yeah at the French national team no I think this time around in the game no me said that in Brandt and the Kylian Mbappe the pace will be so all chona or runny down or shooting from afar near the Mbappe Denmark for said defended very very well in the midfield no take control into the China Mao who are Brandt and the Chouamini and Andre Rabiot in the midfield Brandt and the Hobie aye Jumani papa I won't fin so I think Denmark for now very solid. Sounds not French for no. They are pushing, trying hard to get the opener. This tackle definitely should be a card. So if you ever say red card is too harsh, at least a yellow card for Brandt and the Jos Conde. But I don't know. The referee now man card they are very disappointed. It's a yellow definitely card, yes a card. I don't see it in the Brandt. I don't see a goal in this first half. Looking at how will be a airball in the game no. I don't think there will be a goal in the first half.
Eke say go beba ofedi kan bad. Ne football knowledge. Ene na dream bad. Anyhow, two teams you know approaching game no. Ohun go over this half. Yehwe said ya enyoma betumi akonkan 44 minutes akasima back on any their referee e de beto so na the first half ni nyina ba na wie ye obi beka se game we no evenly distributed omunyina obi agia dash pass obi bia nche dan ye ejuma bia bro so sa obi bia nye ejuma bia ebro so sa ba ni nyina kemfu ya no the story behind Denmark and France no solid womu nyina hie bia de ye say ba 90 minutes ni be kwawie na oba kwawi ni 2-0 de ewo womu history mu papa 2-0 na do so pa scorelines ni nyina 2-0 edosun ana 0-0 bi ni nem referee referee ɔde simasɛn na ato so yi yɛabɔ 45 minutes no nyinaa wie referee de 3 minutes ayɛ sɛ bɛyɛ nansani a yɛkwe de minute na wɔmode to so no aba sɛdeɛ ne yɛni mu 1 2 3 1 2 3 what has changed enti yɛnhwɛ sɛdeɛ nneɔma bɛkɔ kan ɛnso afa Kylian Mbappe Lottin far left kuta ball no wɛntwa nsensɛn mu ɔdiama William Chouamini diama Adrien Rabiot diama Griezmann to Rabiot to Kylian Mbappe Lottin ɔde ne koko agye saa ɛsan nso de ato wɔtwi ase de ewura mu sankɔ a obenya Olivier Giroud nanso direction no ɛne power edi ball n'akyi no ɛtra Olivier Giroud ne the defense line of Densifoɔ no enti ɛyɛ goal kicker Jean-Paul Ventia France goalkeeper Kasper Schmeichel ɔde ne nan bekum ne si ball no so egyina hɔ sɛ me nuanom munkom mempase ana membontum ɔsan so de ne nsa akɔka ɔsɛ ɛnda baby pa nti master controller senior man at the back Rafael Varane World Cup winner wɔn winning back in 2018 no na ne preferred partnership aberanteɛ frɛ no Samuel Umtiti saa time no nso gyina mu wɔ Barcelona nti wɔn bɔ adwuma wɔ fifi wɔn kama ama nneɛma atumi akɔnkan wɔ prepare kyerɛ wɔ sweepy clear hɔ nyinaa make sure sɛ wɔn bɛ tidy up akyire hɔ saa to the finals eventually wɔn mutumi lift trophy no as the nation's second World Cup trophy. Rafael Varane ejuma ball back in Russia no ɔsɛ abasobɔde papa first game wenya kwenya nsibi ɛnɛ wegyina mu diama Denmark first game wenya kwenya nsibi ɛnɛ ɔyɛ fully fit watumi start alongside Dayo Upamecano sina kantima FC Bayern Munchen anti Sasuna another Barcelona defender Jules Koundé anti Samuel Umtiti ekono na Jules Koundé eba be senanan ewe tire ona nioma etumi akonkan bona ba bedio Antoine Griezmann wa pemune tenten referee Simon Masiniak wa pona bende ofedi kan ni nyina ba na wiye hot oven ofla okumane yanko kata 2022 live commentary between the Blues of France and the Dance Dynamite ana ede ebueni ofedi kan no obibia ntumi anto atena the Blues of France 0 the Reds and White 0 that is Denmark enti referee abona ben game no ofedi kan ba na wiye adwa 0-0 no go to either side at the half.
To me say, Mbappe, why frustrated, papa. Brian Kasa because of our no magic, of her no mutakeno. They've really met Denmark, and Denmark is proving say yes, they can play the game, they can face whoever comes. And see, the first half was tensed. Looking at the second half to be more furious because both teams would want to put the ball at the back of each other's net. And the second half there, that is where the tactical game will come in. And I'm waiting for the second half.
Adjoa is waiting for the second half. Austin, game no to me first half na bani we.
Me ne baby Adjoa start free na. Ohe baby a Mbappe why frustrated. Ohe ball na mo bona say France for ni team omu ni opportunity be apart from say Mbappe ho na na the ball ni be fa. No ma Denmark for so amake Mbappe amake Giroud. They can't do anything about it. Intino, I think France for no tactically and so almost some ball. Na one way no I condoso. Not Denmark for no so oheba or mo bona. Denmark for no per se or mo ja France na France for a bomb ball. By France for no to new ball suit say the name say France no sisi omo team na kwakwa ne bring play ball no nti we are hoping second half no he World Cup we ne bibia is second half go be ba second half team ye hwe second half no
nti yenhwe second half no dia sunsuan ede bodijo ekwakogu nti game no first half no etumi abanewe France and Shebi sanso ana Denmark nso no entumi an Shebi hot oven ofla okomani yanko kata 2022 backed by Otomo Enterprise ebra all kinds of provisions there oba Otomo Enterprise a ubenya sanioma ni nyina biato K Asare Company Limited eno nso upiemu ewo hono a obema ene sedia paint ne boaye den na upenti wo den na nkoda wo mo wo bromu ede wo nsa ho fini na mo nti no ukoto abuya yede e plaster dan ho a fe trillion years na ene no enwu ye fi kura nzuto na aworo ho kama utumi hwe nsugu na abona sinye twadan no se kama yopo K Asare Company Limited ehona obetumi anya bi sanso na oforiwa choba uhwemu ewo manfe new road one mo a ehwa na oforiwa choba enso ewo amanioma nso etumi akonkan oforiwa chop bar ewo manfe ekuapem all kinds of foods owoni nyina bi benku emutio fufuo kokonte eni aduane bia ope bia uhwemu oforiwa obetumi anya bi saso ana hotovina yeka o masemu ewrade na aye bakery wamusu upe brodo all kinds of breads enusu benye bi all kinds of brodo ubetumi enye bi yawo sugar bread wo ho yawo butter bread brown bread fruit bread na sanso na cake bread ni nyina bi wo ho sandwich burger ni so ebi wo ho meat pie fish pie any cakes chips ni ade ni nyina ubetumi enye bi sa ana ineno uvremu ewo hotovina so ya ubetumi enye bi manioma nso etumi akonkan ubetumi enwomatira kwan enso ewo nyifana owei Matayoko yes tema Matayoko of the Akosomo Road Umari Hospital Junction ehon wo 0544107016 0544107016 na onso one ewrade na ye bakery so etumi edi komo saso ana ene uremu ewo K Asare maka Otomo nso maka enti hwana bio ofla constructions and real estate uremu ewo a services awdoa womode mano eno nso bi anedidisui all sizes of iron rods and cement ni nyina bi wo ho iron rods and cement ni nyina bi wo ho marine boards for floors and plywood ni nyina bi wo ho all sizes of blocks no ope dia yeye no sebi mba shape mbema shape ni nyina obenya bi ope blocks a ayeso osa ope blocks a ayesa ya draw no skeleton or ya toy ni nyina obenya bi enso ewo ho womo ewa anwea abon kitonkiti bi ni nyina bi enso ewo ho womo high tracks ope tracks a ode be ye adwuma ni ade a ni nyina offer constructions and real estate ni nyina nso no womo ewo bi real estate developing womo ye hu adwuma ana general constructions eno nso womo eye hu adwuma fra womo na woni womo ndi komododo na 0552 957 198 and I say 0594 635 656 na one wa munsu edi komo amano krom ekuapem head office e wona ho obosomase ekuapem ana efenso no koforidua enso wo mutem amanuoma nso no etumi akonkan executive pap etunsa e dia frau se nei upe bebia obedidi ene ayewremu e wo weekend no bebia obedidi bebia obejojo ho na wanom kakra ene no mabeye e wo mountains anase mo ba wedding bibia mo ba bebia mo pe bebia tena owiana no odin a mo betumi atena ajojo mo ho a executive pub eni bebia ene no e wo se wonkotena wo mo so e wo provision shop awodo wo ho a wo betumi atoto bibia se ye seminar inku emo any biscuit ahodoɔ, all kinds of provisions. ɛno nso wɔn nso ɛwɔ bi ɛwɔ hɔ nom a executive pub wɔn se bra na nneɛma ɛnkɔ nkan beside major pharmacy ɛwɔ ekurapo ekuapem ɛhɔ na wɔn nso ebutu ɛwɔ betumi afrɛ wɔn nso san so ɛgye order ne opɛ sɛ wɔyɛ party eyi yɔ na opɛ sɛ eduane no wodi sika ma ebusuafo a wɔn bɛtete sika no so edidi eduane no ayɛ sika no basa na wuntumi ɛnka wɔn anim a fa kɔma ɔwɔ hɔ ɛno no yɛ executive pub ɛyɛ a na waka wɔn anim ma nneɛma etumi akɔnkan enti saa na ɛte deɛ ubetumi afra wɔn na wɔn wɔn edi nkɔmɔ dodoɔ na nso ne mpanyinfoɔ akasa 0242 501 279 executive pub wɔn nso no ready food ɛnɛ dispatch drivers no onam akra na eduane bubu akyi na wɔn de nenam ubepie mu ɛwɔ ekuapem ha na ebi ni ha yabrɛ saa obi betumi afoka free eburi na waba ekropɔn aba beto eduane obi betumi afoka from eneno edukrom na wabe ekropɔn aba beto eduane obi nso fi ekropɔn na wakɔ eburi akɔtɔ eduane nyina sese no yama life aye easy yama wedidie mu nso no aye easy fast and uti wejume mu kra utumi order food na eduane etumi abanti kɔ Google Play Store anase ubremu ewo Apple Store na wa download the ready food udi eboshem ewo search bar ready food app ni betumi aba download the na eneno onso ni aka nyina no we follow terms and conditions no na wetumi apply for eduane bia wonso pe ene location a wo mu ye adwuma no from Edukrom to Eburi ene ne surroundings nyina nkrowa ehihye mu nyina enso ekanwa wo mu betumi de aduane abrɛw wo mu nso behu we kira kwan ewo ene no around Old Council beside fire service no ewe kropon ekuapem ɛhɔ na wo mu tɛ wo betumi afrɛ mpanifo no wo mu di nkɔmɔ agi nkyeremu dodo na 0595 241 719 0595 241 791 now ne ready food enso etumi edi nkɔmɔ aha na brema kwan me de first half ni nyina ehun nsɛm nyina enso etumi aba na we ye twa ye ho sima be ye du eni du ba kon ye ba ne ye offer to so mienu no second half between France and Denmark no enso etumi edi abremu
Up your mind Okoma Radio. It's your baby.
Ba second half no wo hwe game wa Saudi Arabia for ne ba be boy ya e kire say yes almost determine some be bibi e dia mo man enti ni na say yem players a omanya selection no omo de be show mutirim say e national jersey e no mo ye she ento be ku omo ho e dia mo man say omo de bibi sa e show mutirim I hope say Ghana be better results.
Okay, enti ano Pastoral Paradise in sama also area to Jamaica said a higher command 97.1 and then you PMO executive pub and OTM have and I want to boys girls and they open baby at to 2B anonum bidia executive pub every weekend and you know why a year why we were so relax home then you know we have bikaka ebo executive pub now bedi and also pub obenya be say fufu banku kokonte bibia episode you know oba executive pub and also unsa ebe kanti wo fie na ene no utiemia yes bra executive pub and one was ha everything enya say from so sa dire no and one was ha yes go see a chin so kan and I want me go see an kan aha o heavy so and one dey on my kan zo no ma and guy it's no so no it's so bibia wo fie utiemi no because executive pub and ani yaba pie mu dey record face no ene fans ni bi aba no etimi edin komo na yebise omo pa kumienu ajo pokua so nam so no e standby a ono so wurem na face so no ene fans no so no etimi edi enkomo na ajo otumi kan say bibia kama bibia didem
metimon papa as you said earlier yes your executive pub war na it's the Qatar 2022 and then Ghana versus Portugal. Now we are out, you're on the road show. Now supporters Ebiba, wow, here it's executive pub. 4 p.m. How do you look at the Ghana versus Portugal? About Okuma 97.1.
Yes. Let me say, make sure it's here for you now. And there, I can work out with for a long time. Then the Portugal, and then they had to say, first name is Family, but I said, many playing nice car, but see about line up both teams, I should be about there. I think Portugal, they know their line up, we can't say anything about it, but Ghana, Solo kind also now Gideon Mensah best at the same thing. Because young matches I have a bad 3-4 on Wabo Nina, so let me just say Baba de Anka. Because Baba in reading this season on yet Papa Biasa. And I think say now rather prefer say Yababo midfield and move 5. Nanka Bobak 5, but coach in anymore okay. I think say you to keep you near maybe send other teams in you are what start here we might be with the and draw no say yeah may home popo that confidence na say yan say oh na yes challenge young pipe on say on paper there you say Portugal is far but you say Ghana ya be that yen Serbia that was what 2010 and yen 26 breakthrough 99. You see it to be here. You see a bit messy because you have to players. You last match with Switzerland. I think boys was surprisingly very that boy Mel's or bench Semenyo. I haven't seen him train the Papa but Adam which any confidence or the war 18 more to be go grand. That means yeah team we can crabby kudos and yai to change to be baby not to be brain. No, to me, my passes, Echo Williams, I said, we love it to listen to you.
It should be a win for Ghana. Yeah, now, yes, Okuman, your executive pop supporters, Omoba. And then Ghana, Jinakuno, what's your take on it?
Ghana and Portugal, they have open your way, with Michelle, but and then, I must say, revenge if you team coach the other the struggle is we are both now senior past woman William winning so far you want to say you don't say William because when William pass and then when you say William pass
Who predictions for today?
Ghana
we need to yes, what's in Ghana we need to I mean, boys more. You what executive pop? Wow, you say executive pop in the Kuman 9701 today, and then Ghana Black Stars versus Portugal. Your expectation?
Oh, who expected say I'm for them and somewhere. I'm not disappointed.
You mean who expected Ghana? Are you talking about Ghana or Portugal?
I'm talking about Ghana. Only Ghana.
Okay.
If you know, I love this country and I'm expecting this in my past in Canada. It's because of the as big and the person will be free. You see that kind of thing. That's what I'm doing.
I was supposed to buy that 3 years. You didn't know what planning.
What's right? No. I'm just saying because Ronaldo has a growth.
Well, no, see, Portugal, Ghana. But somebody differs from here. Also, you say Ghana.
It's been my Ghana week, but it's Ghana if we want to be realistic, Ghana is ready. It's too many to build their but what are we doing? Argentina fell to a superior team on the day. The team worked hard for their wins.
So Ghana can also work hard.
They will win, I'm not sure.
Okay, that's it. Now, so what is in all over? If you background, because voice. Because about investment. Investment. Ghana versus Portugal. Ghana is going to win. Ghana is going to win. Ghana to win. Portugal will lose.
Ghana must stay here and total loss. Ghana won, Portugal 4.
Ghana won, Portugal 4.
Ghana won.
What's your Ghana do?
And ya debe to me, I 0-0 Austin. Second half no yabo Sima Bakon Eko Mienunye.
Great change Denmark for now. I think it's a nice change. Or they might celebrate it at their bem. Okay, the impact of them mom in Euros now a great and anything that was the forward now they might celebrate it at bem. I think it's a nice change. But I heard a France national team now, so I'm also above the another born first half now in Mappy and the million crown born. I think it's a second half a bad thing as I'm a France. I'm looking for a sound of in there. It will be a 0-0 match.
Ti sana wombe bodia Osheni mu say game no be in a draw. A score, let's draw and Osheni. Yehwe se de nyoma betumi akopie Emir Hobie we chabo on ten dia suma na so Tio Hernandez wajibo no dia mani goalkeeper Hugo Lloris we try to back to Eneno Tima Efreno Tema komo wini bonu wo fifi won sa wo mo so de ne nemu o de akopie mu awo bekuma fem wo mo hwe nim se nyoma betumi akonkan enso de ama brante ni twa cross ni simu na so Christian Eriksen twa cross ni simu sa na so no amfa baby a obia ho entumi aka France for na guide ball no ma eko goal kick what a touch a man for first touch the obo Osman Dembele that touch no the BT and no ni maka sweet one pa Osman Dembele ope players na me pa wo masem wo wiase pa dia na Osman Dembele ball wiase de sanete Maile okutabono auto edietia France defensive throw our central circle no mo watobo no ababe di France aba fifi wo ababe di abrante freno is it kutabono sana so wo makwa kolisi bono 18 yard box nechi wo makwa kolisi bono kita abrante aye freno Christensen wenya throw Ediama Denmark Christensen wenya throw Diama Denmark watubo no bonne nam 18 yard box ni munaso Griezmann de chanete wenya Kylian Mbappé ala Kylian Mbappé okuta no nipa mienu gina nanim otwe mana so pass we twade asisemu wana Osman Dembele Kylian Mbappé na so goalkeeper Kasper Schmeichel no problem at all for goalkeeper Kasper Schmeichel. We're buying into the aid of the Danes. Chibonu sweetly Ediama Christensen Kurabonoa Wadani Mudiama Hobie Diama Christensen with share the aquatro the Akoma Christensen no memba enya ba kupeo Andres Christensen ewo ho Ansana Ramus Christensen enso ho Pono ababedu anymore over the 18 ninja wasa naso corner kicker ye body etia France Raphael Varane Martin Braithwaite wasanya bonity akwa we billionaire obuska papa otise ejuma offline sa pepepe he is into real estate developing edwuma a ɔyɛ ne Braithwaite otumi tɔ asase kakraka na wɔn si estate esi wɔ amanfo abɛtɔ hyɛ ɔne ne brada wɔn wɔ sika papapapapapa Martin Braithwaite ɔyɛ billionaire ana ɔnam wɔ saa no billionaire ɛnyɛ football ne deɛ ɔmfa yɛ hwee ayɛ sɛ ɛne de bi kɛkɛ no ɔbɔ bi ɛne de bi kɛkɛ no ɔbɔ bi akɔyɛ sɛ the boy Braithwaite wakɔyɛ sɛ the boy ɔyɛ nnwuma bebree ɔyɛ sɔfoɔ ɔyɛ live band singer ɔsan so ɛyɛ MC eyi ase wedding other parties the boy ɔno ɔbɛka yɛ ka gum ɔyɛ dɛn ɛnti sana Braithwaite yɛ football ne deɛ ɔbɔ kɛkɛ the boy nti Theo Hernandez bono amanfo agogo Austin 52 minutes go bia Mbaye bono kamia say the tempo of the game na kasa no enhye dan ko soro saa
we say na medical kai na France national team na omo ball ni na koye wa we unya block omo offensive attack na is a France for ni any hwe or park ni subi nti na ball ni si ampo entrasent as ye ball mfimfin wona no mbonti France for no eye leader vision say oye bibi tactically na say o kire we have plenty of friend the miller ball na kasa ball ni na ampo enka bi me think me be say pace now one thing now to me bench and plenty of friend Kingsley Coman but on field of play then Kingsley Coman any ball na botching the miller nti ka me expect say ka the Kingsley Coman ba be the miller no na bibi etumi asama France for no
anti sanetie Kingsley Coman our bench ya just say what ni be mu a den on so betumi aba abeye Kingsley Coman ya hwe so ba den on so betumi aye Upamecano dia kwa koma Orelem Tchouameni we twa dia ma Griezmann de lusu bono dia ba fifin ho bie wa pass dia ma ni nipa bona ba be dum fifin ho bie o kwa koduru echira osa Germany goalkeeper Nelson Germany goalkeeper Kasper Schmeichel Diama Christensen aban fifin osa hobie dane ne ho we chesi mu Diama Rasmus Christensen Diama Joachim Andersen Diama hobie Eriksen rather wasani mu ten Diama Michael Damsgaard we chase him now so Martin Braithwaite no ho fe she ni abro corner kick aye body etia France corner kick ya body etia France Christian Eriksen wakwa kojina bonde chisa amane saso my guys are you ready are you here put your heads up we just say mo wo mutini wenyo tinama Rafael Varane wa pemu dia ko ababedu aye offside ana offside she na we bia ka ujini yanka she Braithwaite pa o shebo we ya wa ubono offside anti your body etia Denmark Upamecano to Theo Hernandez we jemu diama Adrien Rabiot diama Orelem Tchouameni osani mu dia kwen wasani mu tenten diaba Julius Koundé Griezmann aso mo elusi bono wo fifi wasa ya dane ya de ba papa eneno abranta ya freno Christensen wajibono wadani mu wasani dia koye tinyi mu na so Rafael Varane wa clear lines no mani o metumi akokan ba bedu central circle bonu guso ekuta Denmark bɔne kutu nanso aberanteɛ frɛ no Antoine Griezmann waba bɛgye bɔ no de ama Adrien Rabiot ɔno nso agye mu de ama Kylian Mbappe lɔten wadane ne ho de afa nnipa mmienu mu Kylian Mbappe ɔnam eti n'akyi saa Kylian Mbappe wabɔ shot na so goalkeeper it was a nice individual brilliant from aberanteɛ frɛ no Kylian Mbappe and it seems that was it Adrien Rabiot no kɔyɛ offside wɔ hɔ nana Kylian Mbappe yusu ɔno ani intelligent no say bɔ no memfa ma wo memfa ma me de ma wɔ offside nti ɔno a shoot yɛ goalkeeper Hugo Lloris de akɔ corner Antoine Griezmann ɔde ato wayɛ ne na bekum ready we twa sensem wo wan de ne tika na so ya pem edi apie Griezmann wa wusu ni ti o say things are not working out for the Blues and see a throw in aya to the etia Denmark Theo Hernandez kutabono o kaka neni ehhye memfa ma wana derby yes odiama Adrien Rabiot san diama Theo Hernandez back oseje fakọ etire Upamecano onso je ono so asani mu di akwa Jules Koundé ose wo hoye free sa enti jemu fama abrante frɛ no Aurelien Tchouameni kutabɔ no ɛwɔ mfifi ho ɔdane ne ho wadane mu diama Upamecano diama Theo Hernandez we jemu diama Aurelien Tchouameni dada no yade na to form referee here foul referee ose foul on Theo Hernandez abrante frɛ no Christensen odiapo Jules Koundé wajipo no wasani mu di akwa Osman Dembele ojemu di ama Antoine Griezmann to Jules Koundé sani mu di ama Raphael Varane opiepia so we wura center akini musa wasani mu di ama Adrien Rabiot to Tchouameni odiama wana Olivier Giroud naso bonu kita Jules Koundé womo kwa na pem defensively Crawford solid womo make sure say womo be two ban ewo center ho pepepe woma won trakra wo tra ya na woma block kras na wedu wakwa kopiem we tinya box no chi inti abrante frɛ no Osman Dembele we gremu beautiful na so amfa Kylian Mbappe lotin odada two central defenders no she won for them no ba ku ye fast na ne nan tumi kan na hie anka biemu kakra wa madi ma e too tight biemu kakra we anka akwani nemu otropa di anka bo ni femu anka de baby wa you afemu anka odi baby oyo e fani ne tempa di anka bo we oboa aka Kylian Mbappe be she excellent goal Antoine Griezmann me modern one so ni wa ha onyabo bi o chest to wo kama wa body afa ba no so baby kra o gina ye tinyan box ni mu a chest to mu kama sam pofa wiem baby bona ba be do Christensen we jemu diama ni nipa Damsgaard watsani mu ediako nanso Jules Koundé onimfembo po ne nase ne de nti bɔne do okuta paadia oboa ne nase ne de tita obobo no obo echi Antoine Griezmann we si akan Andreas Christensen Christian Eriksen wajibono diama Aurelien Tchouameni da dane asani mu diama Theo Hernandez to Kylian Mbappe lot in far left. We were 18-yard box anymore. Wadane diama Theo Hernandez. We chasing with Kylian Mbappe. Kylian Mbappe lot in. Jibonesa or Danene ho. Essentially de Theo Hernandez. Theo Hernandez back to Kylian Mbappe. Mbappe back to Theo Hernandez. Theo Hernandez allocating Mbappe. Mbappe shot on target and it is the goal for France. France LED by a goal to now. Goal scored by Kylian Mbappe back to back in the first game against Australia. Otuatna and then Nanso Wetumi Atuatna was share the 30th goal for France. 30th goal for France and Kylian Mbappe. He's broken the virginity of the game. And then no game no enya virgin obidi no aka no. Game no na oyo basa. Game no oyo basa. Na so Kylian Mbappe akwala bone 61 minutes pepepe. Odi egum. Odi atumuma says hey. Game no onya virgin. Austin.
I think it's a nice goal na Kylian Mbappe etumi ahye no hwe World Cup near bona second half na say goals ni nyina ba me nim de nti a second half so coaches no mo koka ne so mo yeden but I think it's a nice game I feel near the game na kasa because Denmark for hwe ball no mo bona on target score mo ntumi mo bia eye e friend say France national team na abo 14 on abo 14 target abo shot on target e mo 3 no I think it's a nice game I feel near the game na kasa And Colombia, France for no moon to me NLC because there's a record to be said. Ojia tournament now about the film group stage. You know, I think they can't afford to lose this game because when you lose this game and as a draw as a tag and about the down say we free. I think say France for no say episode on instead Brazil for to me dodging in 2002 or 2006 now. Or to me film where face a group stage.
And also no adwa go no etumiaba go no etumiaba.
You said it all. The game has been divergent by Mbappe with that goal. Oma bremu pa France. Oma bremu ye. Easy say. Just how go no because Denmark was marking them boots for boots and it's not been easy for them. But at the end of 19 plus minutes, they all we access almost a goal. It's a great game from France. Mbappe so what show say he's not only a star boy or France man PSG. But about the national team so or the team look to the shoulder now or the team no winning bulls ahead. Defending champions there, it's everybody is expecting them to do well in the World Cup. That if they can retain the trophy, which everything is possible. I doubted them first, but everything is possible. Looking at the way things are going on in Qatar, team be born in Humodin there. But and again, Denmark, the game they are giving France, no, I'll not be surprised if they equalize too, because small chance is like they were caught ball watching at Anna, almost forget here at some time now go nearby. And I'm sure I know say they can equalize before the end of 90 minutes.
And or just said the Denmark for no Asia kinda or she him say one move to me equalize no man you to me akwankan. And a branch I friend no Kylian Mbappe Lotin. Kylian Mbappe Lotin we nya the opener and so Ediama France. We nya opener Ediama France. Ama nyoma nyina tumi akwankan. Nyoma nyina tumi akwankan. And Kylian Mbappe o she ne boabo asekitwa kra. Ewo AS Monaco. Ewo the French League Championnat animu mofra Monaco Academy. Ewo no free ana 2015 obogremu ewo senior side. Obo 41 matches. O she 16 goals. Ana 2017 Ana Paris Saint-Germain ekofano as a lone player Obayo Siakan 27 matches about 13 goals Amanio Mansuno etumi konkan de mano Sansona womo ye contract no permanent no we see a coin 128 Ediama Paris Saint-Germain washe 118 goals out of 128 appearances. Wow. He's more than a prolific forward. And Ube Remo of France on making debut 2017 edema. The French national team no and Numuno were both 16 matches and then the 61st match at Obo, and I watch the 30th goal. Abranteɛ no yɛ solid national team and danona memao the history for French wɔn all-time top scorer no meka kyerɛ wo sɛ wohwɛ goals any games a wodo a abranteɛ bi te sɛ Olivier Giroud any Thierry Henry a ɛnɛ wɔn yɛ at par 51 goals as French all-time top scorer no wohwɛ matches a Mbappe abɔ any the way and scoring rate ne tena anhwɛ no ɔbɔ bɛyɛ 90 matches pɛ obɛtwa sa akɔ wei ne nyinaa mu history ne nyinaa mu akɔda wei ɔndu baabiara na wabɛyɛ all-time top scorer and indeed oguso a de kɔ ɛhwɛ nim sɛ nneɔma bɛtumi akɔnkan aka Kylian Mbappe Lotin wonya de opina ɛdiama the Blues of France.
Yes, Corby, I said I make a game in the second half of the show. So I was saying that Denmark France can't be 0-0. Definitely there must be goals in the game. And yes, Abrante and the other Kylian Mbappe. I mean, said that in here. I said it's Onya Mbappe in him in 2014 World Cup. Mbappe in him in the French League. Yes, and then Abrante and also no Amamehu the Mbappe minimum no or Bonnie go no. And so now tournament 2 matches in this year's World Cup. No, Abrante net may produce 2 goals. But Denmark at Yomoka, Andres Christiansen. Yes, this game can't be 0-0. Denmark France, it can't be 0-0.
Adwa beje ubo wa wutie adwa opoku ezonambia no o se Denmark ebetika no mibuza ni se enenu Kylian Mbappe achego anoso onu de o hye ni se Denmark betika no Denmark atika no through Andres Christensen and the Abrantia Yafreno Andres Christensen sweet header on Adrian Rabiot na course rosa Adrian Rabiot yusu ni nai ana Christensen yusu ni ti panyai far top no dia she roof na say Hugo Lloris we hwe.
I think it's a poor defending from the French side, you know. Corner kick, me who say Obiabo every year to defend the ball. And Abrante Andre Rabiot now mark Andres Christiansen, you know. He was just standing there, ball number 2 now tries so where he beat me my mentor and me just be a meeting me IBB and it was too late for Abrante Andre Rabiot and you know Abrante and Andres Christiansen and me take almost 70 minutes play. 1-1, and as I said, France Denmark can be 0-0. I know it's definitely go BM Sameba. Looking at how I but France need the win to qualify automatically. Denmark is here, you know, to get 4 points. I need Poland war. I can't say Bobo Oman in Australia. Our 3 now, and Tunisia. Our 1. This is a game no draw. France Ebenya 4. Denmark and 2. The last game is between France and Tunisia. France found himself playing against Tunisia and yet is a M5 because the African side and also here win to qualify. So that's what I say. You know, a quiet draw Denmark against Australia. Australia also here point to qualify, and Denmark also in that game also will need win to qualify. It's a bad day. It's will be up to say playing is safe. France in the 6 why they qualify. Denmark winning 4 a proper position to then qualify. It's an idea a base in the next 20 minutes. I can, but yes, substitution. I'm sure him say Abel Abrante, Olivier Giroud, Fimama, and you know Marcus Thuram. I know about Thuram, by you know, as we know, this young players inexperienced and everything. I feel that all tasting in the first World Cup. And also no able be so inexperienced. But send now Austin Ekano. I think it's about time Kylian Abrante and Osman Dembele ebe free then Kingsley Coman and then I expect say Antoine Griezmann where they ebe free in the midfield. No Abrante and Matthew Guendouzi ɛwɔ bench ɛwɔ ha also bet my then ɛde napa sɛ na also bɛgye ball now Genduzi back you can push Rabiot to the position of Griezmann na Genduzi and Tchouameni then and you try two pivots no ɛwɔ mfimfini so I expect Kingsley Coman to come on and another midfielder if not for Abranta Nidin and Matteo Genduzi kana at least a midfielder should come on for the French side sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ moment to me initiating more attacks on Denmark for now it's a victory no almost almost on side then to me but as I said definitely there will be another goal in the last 20 minutes available.
Austin few minutes after say Frank Chifono taking lead, you know, sweet response from the Danes.
The World Cup is always for the big boys. Okay, Abrante Christensen that. Every time you expect to say big boys no more World Cup, ebe arise. What the two year national team no higher all big boys be a bob match na ye who amona and this our other national teams. Inti member Abrante Christensen abaso. Na be France for I said, when you block is our wins na omuni hwe ye bi. Because born no more born them are for na je born abo abba be shegu. Di me expect say another goal between me pre born na them for airborne na. Me expect say them for me to share another goal account.
Enti no Ochwenim said Denmark ebetumi ahye another goal nti Kylian Mbappe and nya de opener no ana Andres Christensen e responde edema Denmark it say game no emu ebie say de bibia ntumi ntwitwi bibia obie biem emu ebie first no ura ha na block say de ye de oyi wa fa ho say ye de oyi afa game no ho papa di obi enya abora hraw na to atrem hraw enti say no game no onye virgin nearly anka Denmark Austin anka ide okan minute kurambo nanka Denmark e second goal no omo biti defense ni nyina Abrante no technique no menye say o apply ni ye simple yet no we are simple ma Hugo Lloris Rudo simple
things player no and simple looking at the way across and the bar no and when you have to use power on a ball a befa bar no so you just needed a tap and keep an eye at the positioning the way of position on it may CV France for and Denmark high substitution Abrante Dobek another dangerous player at the Denmark wabem yensho no switch me add to the Danish national team
Dobek abem ono so beboa ewo attacking force woman yo metumi akonka diama Denmark womo hwe se dia womo bona womo betumi nya second goal enti Christian Eriksen ode na beku na bona so apem wa bona Tchouameni dane ne ho sade ni yefu nchemu ban enti Mikael Damsgaard we free mu ana Kasper Dolberg enso ba be shem na chese Stera Hochman onim so betumi win game ni to se masa echire ho de enda di fifi wonder di nemom attacking no another fresh minds fresh legs e push ya diaba Kingsley Coman e gina ho wo de ne be yeden Konate obeyi wan upamiko na abra na ana wo de ne be kan wo abotre back okay Varane onye fit me coach ni ya adwene papa Varane nya fit and akabeye 16 minutes na o manage game no na at least draw betumi aboa going into your next game I think the changes na why any there eno no Varane onya fit wetumi abo 74 minutes wayade enti Ibrahima Konate ababeyi Varane ana Kingsley Coman enso ababeyi Osman Dembele enti changes ni dia uremu awa kuma 97.1 masa Pandit no wamu ye great fina yin nyina wuti abem say changes no wamu na yema coaches no obia biemu ewo Education City Stadium na wamu tie okuma 971 hot oven ofla okuma ne yanko kata 2022 live commentary no uremu otomo wa boys na ebiem otomo enterprise all kinds of provisions uremu wa ubetumi anya nyoma ni biato upe hot oven bread biato a uremu otomo abenye biato omo awodo seminar awodo biscuit awodo eni awodo nyina otomo enterprise ukotu akoton anase wa ukoto akwa yisu nyina wudi otomo a owobi otomo oye wholesale any retail nyina ama ni ometumi akonkan e corner kicker Jumbo Fentia the dance Christian Eriksen abrantia ye freno Andres Christensen and then obo ni 60th match for the dance national team no 60 and 60 no and then I watch the third goal and he, as a defender 3 goals in 60 appearances there and ya bad sa kranti corner kicking eba be remu so ya buafimu Chouamini and na moya Kylian Mbappé loto de na fa so sa we twa de asise mu na so ya pim de free wo kra Victor Nelson wa pim boni de free wo aba fifi aba bedu wana no kutabono Pamecano wana Antoine Griezmann on nemu ye jumani bia Turamui o papa Lilian Turam no ye center back correct one pa o ye striker ye hu ni outre Kingsley Coman ye se bra be ye dia Ousmane Dembele eye na san ye broso nti hwanwuye ye se be ye na san ye broso nti uye bibia na wa hwe ni yo bon ewra etinya de mo Kylian Mbappé abrantia ye freno Adrien Rabiot wayade ni modem wa so many papa ni modem wa so many in their game against Australia any game no Adrien Rabiot said yana ye writing off any ni modem wa obe PM from Paris Saint-Germain ba Juventus no na enkonkan ni modem no on shed that ma ye we bia but I think say we ginemu ye e dia man penifo adwa uka say Denmark beto kana pe ana ukoi ubai no womatika no ama ni omatumi akonkan so far ye wurema ye bo ade akoye ni ma na che game na ye di be wie no 78 minutes aka 12 minutes na ene dia referee di beto so ne dia kense ni nyina tuma ba na wie
ntina me say Okuman 97.1 FM there utia I was said they be radio ewa Facebook tune in Facebook YouTube be all the predictions ninia analysis nina if you jot everything down so we invest how we are then se can be the obedi bebre on say analysis no you can say make her say the way looking at the way Denmark is playing now if they equalize I won't be surprised and changes no so more can answer until everybody should listen to Okuman. Your team be tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. World Cup, all the 64 games. Yeah, they bro. Yeah, they yembre. All the 64 games, yeah, bro. The predictions. Just say BBA or PBA. And see, my plea is for everybody to listen to Okuman 97.1 FM. France is still knocking at the doors. Opesa or Trese or your defending champions. Inti onya baku anaminu bisha it wouldn't be bad at all but the same way to Denmark onusunye bisha wouldn't be bad if they can all hold themselves together with a draw at the end of the game so enye menwanwa
enti anoso no game no obia nhom enti kakra enitete eduanan baako miensa enan enum ni nsia sa enitete eduonum baako yekọ 56 seconds 80th minutes aka 10 minutes near the game no atumi abane wie
yes Krobia I think it's about 80 minutes. I got 10 more minutes. Say Didier Deschamps say, "Oh, we need game where Didier Deschamps was so winning game Akrobia. The 3 players we are mobile midfielder so iba kufu. Abrante and then Antoine Griezmann, Andre Rabiot, and Chouameni. At least one player must be out. Now for a new midfielder, Embra up front in India, or why 2 substitutions up front. Or the Abrante and the Kingsley Coman, any Marcus Thuram. Defensively, we won't say Varane Bre, or the Abrante and Ibrahima Konate. Now up front to our midfielder, no, Ebraba, in Finfio. Say one year substitution they will for as soon as possible. No, Denmark found by one substitution in the midfielder. That will be over for the French national team. But if said Didier Deschamps so winning or qualifier, but I think say between Griezmann and Abrante and Rabiot, I don't think it will be Rabiot. I'm looking at how Rabiot airball and then a height, in terms of set pieces, but no bit mark up him no. Only Rabiot. So either Abrante and Chouameni or Abrante and Griezmann. You have Camavinga on the bench. You have Abrante and Matteo Guendouzi on the bench. Well, Abrante Fofana, who plays for Monaco, also on the bench. And our strong midfielders at least on the back of Kraba. I'm a France for the Nkundi almost said to make one yanisa now Denmark for no be in such a Denmark I'm Abrante and him and so no you see Paulson also on a bench and also no eba and also beat me Abwa Amani Amakoso Eddie Amoba me sure him say coach and the Didier Deschamps so no about Sansa trying in the midfield. At least they need a new midfielder to be in there. Now, also no Embe using the strength and now often keep a game no Enfama the French national team.
I don't know. France for no midfield no break it down. And Denzi for no Musa Chouameni Otoni naso ubebo ushemu padia obie ni obetumi abo 6 kwa abo ni ye dan ubie uhwe bench wo padia Fofana no no omo nshedanye trusted sa nti ubrese den wana Deschamps se obebo Deschamps se wana obebo na yanko Facebook na yeshama for messages kakra womu dieremu live on Okuma 97.1 on Facebook Ekuapem watch or say Okuma radio 97.1 nti dey say wabodi na to wabo to kire say nioma nyina konkan Ekuapem citizen or say keep feeding us with your good commentary. Also keep feeding us with your good comments. Na nioma so atumi konkan amafo nso di nemu sana we no minimu de ode atro ni di ni de se de watro no mintumi mo ami se watro Chinese mu o se France 0 Denmark 1 mpacho e 1-1 eje 1-1 France 1 Denmark 1 enti ni nyina mu no pa kire se ne ati bia France be wini enti ano no anase Denmark be wini enti ye hwe yo good evening guys. Okay, good evening guys. Yate, I love your commentary. We also love your comments. Kobiko. We also love your comments. We do appreciate your comments and your contribution to Okuma Global Sports. Ani Jumedia Audu Akenyina. Jebeo Fadilu Odiabo say Mahamida Eurade Poland for Emma Yending outdoor Serbia for my Yending outdoor Facebook so you baby there is a a pronunciation school here papa because they say in Yahuso Komano Atra China for the ba Japan for the ba said ya woman to trotro womudin womo draw sa ayese sebi susoma we jana 9 sa ntino egusua shem bono aprante na local tickets command we gremu obebo shot na achiri abadechi bona babedu Antoine Griezmann we share the romsa e go the former Golden Boy, the former FIFA World Cup young best player, the man who steal the show back in 2018 as the young chap leading the French lines to glory, is back and back again, back at it, giving the maximum lead to the Blues of France, and the name is Kylian Mbappe Lotin. Kylian Mbappe Lotin. The last 12 matches was 14 goals. And to make sure Sabranti, the Ajuru ni Terry and Rinomuyano, ono, wabane 90 matches. Media Hana, Media Mano. Wabane 90 matches. Ubechima Shebeye 60 plus goals. Because Ushe science and data no statistics numbers na eguana obroni say numbers don't lie, and bibia chwa say abrantie we goes to the oboa. Kylian Mbappe Lotin AK Wama France leading no.
Yes, France leading. Yes, we were expecting another goal after 7-1-1. We said there will be another goal in a game, and Abrantia needing Kylian Mbappe, and when you had the second goal at the French national team. It was a great delivery from Abrantia needing Antoine Griezmann from the right hand side. The Abrantia no, it's me in the I can't ball into it, but I was surprised that defender at Denmark, maybe a ball if he was ahead of Kylian Mbappe. I don't share ball now. And then Mbappe and then it's Rebecca to me. It was a poor defending from the Denmark defenders, you know, and Mbappe, we just had a chance when you're there, or the better will definitely punish you. And then they was my punish Denmark when they are leading by 2-1.
Kylian Mbappe, Lotin, Patrick, Kofi, Ewisi, oh, Gaddafi, Mate Wonka, papa, Yeshe Nimuze. Black Stars bet Chikoria for no, and none one more my. Okay, at the monitor, I salute. We also salute, sir. Boss player, Patrick Kofi, Ewisi, Gaddafi. Yes, salute too. Papa. We do appreciate your listening. We'll spend it with data. One sir, mobile phone, wait time. And no time. So what I say, wait time, no time. DJ comment to her. Na BBI kama. Men so that side na meet you. Patrick, you see that side yeah, meet you pa. From last week, me say now di nyoma tutum. O Black Stars first 11 now yeah no. Na me monitor pa. Ehonum aha. Gaddafi Bono Ababedu Kylian Mbappe Lotin the poster boy. Wachiba kwe biti ni maka. Yede na to wanso wasan sorry ejina wo. Se bema anto form sa referee dabi we jina okura me de meje foul. Wadane Bono de akoma Dayo Upamecano to Adrian Rabiot to Theo Hernandez to Upamecano. We chane tete dia ko Julius Kunde on the Abanechi, Ibrahima Konate, or Diama Jules Kunde back to Kingsley Coman, as you share Antoine Griezmann, Wadane Diama, Jules Kunde Diabetre, Asanso Diabre, Ibrahima Konate to Upamecano, Sa Mkrovo way, Womina fi, RB Leipzig, Upamecano, on a apprentice friend Ibrahima Konate, Bayern Fabako, and Che. Liverpool super far back on. One much 4 and 5 sir. Opeyina your friend Varane Alantamai. Ne 9 yet. Or Yarinti, the Sham say, Massa. We are now near Nida 20. Cotton Chenga cra, said you couldn't do no. Mofrana betumia Jumano. And Quadanwa betumia Jumano. And he said the American Kylian Mbappe. His 61st appearance for the French national team no wabo 31 goals, meaning say obo 2 games bia no a oma 1 goal. Kylian Mbappe obo 2 games bia in terms of statistics any numbers no actually say omo 2 games ya 1 goal ama France da wahyɛ 14 goals ɛwɔ ne last 12 appearances ɛde ama the Blues of France. Kylian Mbappe Lottin meka kyerɛ sɛ the first World Cup appearance ɔno gye best young player and the Modimo in the big games in the final, especially against Croatia and against Argentina. So no, Kylian Mbappe rising to the occasion, and this time round onya akwadabio nti anya de obabe compete for best young player obabe gye the ultimate in ankasa say nani da so ne ye say be competition say best player of the tournament. The dice no udrimi ana wadrimi akowechi akowenim. Yes, udrimi akowechi say ada wo ya abo abe wo ya ampan wo ye bata na woda wesi uti ase nti abrante efre no dropback Christian Eriksen naso Austin Jabot 90 minutes referee de 6 minutes na to so Jabot mu ba kon unim se bibi betumi asiana.
I don't think it's a BB to me. BB to me, I think it's France for na a bit to my side. BB real born at Denmark for a take and no more bona. This is a more born as I did. France for none a Jibon as humble. I think it's Denmark for nine another chin. It's very na. I saw the first leg say banner. You who don't be to me there as I am. I won't be surprised. Say France for the best as she go. You know the World Cup on the cinema kind. It's for the big boys. You a big boy. A mapping. It's still a crown of the shea go no. Okay, can't get to a beer. Go in the back corner. See, I think it's a France for no will be able to me as I am.
And no. 2018 na France and Denmark were group mu. One mu 0-0. Sa group no France na top here and Denmark at also second. Ushe group we so padia. Near Tunisia and Australia yede. And shall be saying France first. Denmark second view. Yabasenya nisa ana no so no enam so ama France ekoko wini trophy no France ko wini trophy no ama ni o ma konkan 2002 Japan Korea 2002 eno so na France kru yara wo mo ne Denmark e wo group mu eno Denmark na top here France na way onya 1 point. And the koi Denmark 2002 ball France 2-0. I was a group in mu. One money name Sanko Pie. I was 98. Abrana France him so be host and win. And I'm para host and win is no etumi akwaso. I was one fie one centra Denmark by 2-1. I was group one more Sanko Pie mu group krona. Ewo honomo na kire se enyoma ekonkan ya de ma France 98 enyoma ekonkan papa pint 98 no time ana wo mo ehye Denmark na wo mo ato akoso akwakọ win trophy no eno nso na Didier Deschamps kru yara enti Didier Deschamps de we di Denmark fo awa je wo mo adwuma 2002 ye wo mo adwuma 98 oye wo mu adwuma 2018 oye wo mu adwuma but wo hwe Denmark hwe no hwe France ni nyina enye important o hwe no so onkobo bra bia ba Didier Deschamps as a captain o hwe Denmark 1998 as also J World Cup and Didier Deschamps 2018 as a manager o hwe Denmark on Denmark board draw o also ko J trophy no enti afi Womo sanso enya Denmark wo group ma na womo hye Denmark dia football history ni sa nyoma eye favor France an sabat womo fifi na minjindi womo fifi na minjindi enya sa de anka metumi aka se womo se womo defend ni de because e kire wo attacking womo ye solid eke they about 4 minutes out of the possible 6 minutes no Simon Masini aka hwenim se the next 2 minutes or the game nina ebetumi abana France lead by 2-1.
Kobe aka 1 minute na game na abana and the substitution and here can was no. I think say coach Didier Deschamps Antoine Griezmann we in Efremo area branch and the Fofana etimabem. Yes, that was the substitution now you know you share news of it because now midfield in every key so you need someone ɔno nso bɛpartner aberanteɛ a ne din ɛde Chouameni ana afei nso no Andre Rabiot ɛwɔ mfimfini hɔ na aberanteɛ Fofana can equally do the work ana aberanteɛ Griezmann ɛyɛ Fofana bɛgyina akyire with Chouameni then Rabiot would move forward and any formation and reference about so now give number and and I think it's saying now Austin Ekano the World Cup is for the big boys. That's what I say. So if you want to chill with the big boys, you need big players in your team. And then you show the French side, Kylian Mbappe, Olivier Giroud, Antoine Griezmann, Kingsley Coman, Ousmane Dembele, big boys. I need. I'm a rise to occasion. I'm a boy. I'm a fancy. So no, it's me. I start 2 goals way. You know. A game man, I hear say enquire draw, enquire goalless. We felt say goals here because Denmark playing France, you know, and yeah, they be 0-0. And then it goes tonight. Then Abemu referee point 2-1 for France, and yes, something surprise. I think it's France for Nomuniabri because their last 2 meetings with Denmark, so coming in the World Cup, and yeah, then Omabe go more. Edema the French, Edema Denmark national team.
Kylian Mbappe Lotin, Patrick Kofiaouzio looking to pass through in this World Cup. Greetings to the big man in the studio. Now Mbappe no ankasa. He's a world class. Oh yes. Share na sisi Mbappe no onisa wapa Kingsley Coman no mo ene Ousmane Dembele no mo sa area no we free ho. Jude Bellingham ni Fofodi no mo area no. Mbappe maso fi wa che no 2018 as at 18 years. Check World Cup no onu we twem wo kra da share big man pass say no on to me young player award bi abio when about 7 games ninyina from group stage ekopim finals one 2018 World Cup no Mbappe share 4 goals and ni actually say when you say afimu 4 years time no wabo 2 matches wa share 3 goals aka 1 goal per na watumi equal no ne record e wo World Cup mu nti we share Messi no goals a won share World Cup na share Ronaldo goals a won share World Cup won akọ World Cups 5-5 Mbappe the 2 World Cups omo wiye 2 World Cups Mbappe we equal Ronaldo all time goals a share World Cup mu 7 goals we thank Messi has 6 masa inti say onimu say Mbappe no nya world class de ne obi obeke bia Patrick sani awoka no sa nipa se ni hu Mbappe or your world class shit what it now eke Simon Masini akwa bona be dia kese ni nyina ba ni France atumi show womo ahoden enya victory no for the 3rd time womo akire in the World Cup stage so for us womo ne Denmark shia wo group bia na and womo modern boys especially when Didier Deschamps say oye captain and also oye player de ma France no opo womo eje trophy no osambe coach 2018 Denmark kroya bo womo eje trophy no this time round osanso opo womo ede womo to womo level game na ba na iwe eke final submission e was their game ni nyina etumi koi
great game from both countries, you know. Now, you say coming into the game, now Denmark for ahead of France because in the last 2 meetings, you know, Denmark match France back to back. It's needing say Denmark ahead of France, but I wish your quality France now, and then it was obvious that definitely they are going to get the win. Now you're showing him say goals in the first half. It was goalless draw. Coaches, you know, make tactical changes. Tactical changes are not taking off player, but I mean on the field of play, you know, or variation. On the field of play, any formation.
And the effect are changes in
the team. Yes, and there are no coaches. And it was a great opening goal from Kylian Mbappe and a response, you know, from Andres Christensen and so to me by from a corner kick. And then once again Mbappe and so no it match say yes, he's the golden boy from 2014 FIFA World Cup, you know, and he was about the second World Cup. He wants to prove a point. He wants to prove that Ampa he has moved from being the golden boy and to a matured player. Saying now Patrick Eden Ekano into Abranti and Swinga the final and the winning goal. It's made by the French national team. No, yes, I'm so impressed with Abranti and Kylian Mbappe in his footballing career. No, or just say he's very, very talented and born or TSC anymore. About the goals and so Mbappe, Ebeshe, Eddie Amau. Looking at the squad, France, Ukraine, yes, they have a team. They have the quality. Into any untumimba, into me ember, sebi MMS yap. In the history our World Cup on him after 98, Urban defending champions. Namoba. And in fact, for the group stages, and that's a few in term in the World Cup. But this time around, I think so with this quality, France, Ukraine, in the semi-finals. When I see France to be in the semi-final, it was a great game. Denmark was so unfortunate. Say, to me, win number 3 against France in the last 3 matches on my day, on my bono. And the likes of Christian Eriksen, Abrante Kasper Dolberg, and Pierre-Emile Aubameyang. Yes, they did their best, but you couldn't stand the quality of this French national team. No, kudos to France national team. The next game, the last game, on the ball against Tunisia, and the news there, and I said they know that Tunisia will be a very difficult game at that moment. And they also win and we will secure qualification to the round of 16. Denmark will play against Omaya Nadine and so Australia in their last game, and they can still qualify. Denmark can still qualify if they win that game, and also say France a share a friend is Omaya Nadine and Tunisia. Denmark can still qualify. And I think say they did their best today, but the quality of the French national team was more higher than Denmark for me. So kudos to the French national team and better luck to Denmark.
Adwa game no to me abani France. Still all the 3 maximum points now. BBHS automatically Oshe group nipa and send your mark or they are almost qualify.
That's how defending champions are supposed to play. That's the result they are supposed to give the whole world to show say they are indeed World Cup champions, and in their mind I'm sure they want to defend the trophy. And these, when you want to defend the trophies, you have to rise to the occasion. These are the things you are supposed to do. Denmark also did well, but as AK said, they played their subsequent games. No, not to me. They would qualify. And congratulations to France, Mbappe, Suwaya, the Washusa, Starboy. But Onya will check a crack. Star no, it didn't need trim sana or collapse ada. So we look forward to the next game. Argentina, look, they should die for the country. I can't. Listen, no, but imagine so Bibe Bisami and my little cousin Bibe Bisami. So Messi came and I was like, no, they came to the Qatar 2022. They didn't score, so they are out. It doesn't sound well. Some things doesn't sound, Inti Messi, nyobeye ne, aombe wini biya onye. Se voodoo no crowd Argentina no mbe kukuraba stadium wa. Omukukuru no mumbra. Argentina to win. Inti great game. Obianko Suti Okuma 97.1 bibiya ya de bebro ha.
No, Austin. Yeah, the abani we.
It was a great game. We had France for now. I'm to me for this one. We this match. We had 98. Our Monday tournament. They were 2 or more 2000 now. I'm more free now. France for me. Then crowd. This time around here, so much to me qualify. I'm Chelsea. I'm on the European team. I'm on Gia. I'm on better than I qualify. I feel the group stage. It was a nice, but I think the group is still open for the rest of the team. Tunisia, Denmark, and Australia. It's still open up. Be able to me. I qualified. I think say good to Mbappe. Well done. Say what previously a great player. Now a big boy. So the next game, biggest match at the Argentina for me. So more Lucidia or more
one and they one more banner. Unse fans many abrepa Argentina or many abre intino. Oma landia anesa or mushe senior mabe to me. A concantino. A hane busia for everyone. Kwame live commentary between France and Denmark no ebe to me up anyway. You be a second game all boss so far as our group no. And so concerned and they know you be try on ba anesa Kylian Mbappe Lotin you be try on ba abwejuma papa 257 matches in our both club and country was 177 goals. Masa Akwano Ombediagro into Ronaldo ni Messi. More watch out na Abrante and goals na mo 700 and 800 and also papa and statistically no extra Abrante no rate or goals no higher than compared to Messi and Ronaldo. And timer Messi and Ronaldo so enya 23 years no na dia na wa goal do pa Ronaldo sa time na Ronaldo 46 goals. Into we know what 46 akwa 200 akra na we were 200 numbers there abrante na bogo so ama nneoma ekonkan tino ye de besi na nneoma etumi akonkan eho ye beda ready food ase ready food say ene opeduane edi ewo comfort zone na ene untumi enkwa bra ready food uko ene no Apple App Store ana say Play Store o download ready food na also wetumi aye orders na nneoma etumi akonkan sanso na executive pap say bra na upe baby achele say the euro weekend mu baby abetena dia obedi dia obenom udi weni atwemu ho environment no eye so conducive wonso betumi age wa home na wedidi anonom na nneoma etumi akoso akonkan Ofula Constructions and Real Estate nso ese enenu wa ma adansie enso etumi ayemre adansie hu nneoma bia bibia ye disidan building materials audio bia uko wa wamusu betumi aboa ama nneoma etumi akonkan edukrom anasa monochrome kuapem ana wamusu ewo ama nneoma etumi akonkan Otomo Enterprise enenu all kinds of provisions ni nyina wo bi wo ho emo rice any polythene bag ni bibia opebi atobia uremu Otomo a wonso betumi aboa ama nneoma etumi akonkan Aboasa market ana ehwi wamusu ebutu won nchemu won ma womone brackets in ena ye opposite sanso na K Asare and Company Asare and Company Limited womonso ede adansie hu nneoma ana nenu dwumedie no womonso edi sese paint boy den enti aboa wodo na ene ye de plaster da homa shine meye fe no udi weni atwemu eho no ma womonso betumi anya bi ama nneoma etumi akonkan Kingdom Estate Junction ehwa na womonso ebutu ewe kropon ekuapem na womonso etumi aboa ama nneoma so etumi akonkan Oforuwa choba osebra all kinds of foods eduane bia enye foods say jimifuo sebi nti aye foods nnuane bebre nduane awodo nyina wo ba ono so betumi aboa ma wanya bi edi ama nneoma etumi akonkan manfe ekuapem ni road no so eho pepepe ana obutuo ama nneoma so etumi akonkan Erade na aye bakery eno womo ena ende hot oven womo eye ama nneoma etumi akonkan breast ne de anase brodo awodo ne de womo woni bebre buburuja upe sugar de obenya butter sanso ana ende fruit bread ni nyina eho chips any other way ni nyina no chips awodo pie womo nyina womo aye ama nneoma so no etumi konkan womo na nei womo eso yasen my the hot oven and Ofula Constructions okuma yenko kata 2022 March day 3 so far as any games no aye concern aka game back one yebetumi ediaba AK ebetine game at the live commentary the Abyss Celeste of Argentina womo enso enemy iko na neno womo di game no eba so 7 p.m. sharp na tenase na ya the live commentary no enso etumi ediaba boss player AK ebetine no the live commentary no enso etumi ediaba mi jemu ama nyom kakra enso etumi ehuegu ebobeye 640 yebetenase ya the discussion kakra enso etumi ahihye so ne adini nyina enso etumi ediaba manioma so no etumi aye kama yakramo
So this is Okuma 97.1. Your executive Ghana should play like Saudi Arabia. Look, because all Portugal is beautiful. Japan was fair. Japan scored Germany. Nobody was expecting it. And I buy it. It's patterning the boys. We like a professor. Only your coach. Only like a puppet. It's whoever is there. Also, someone pays to have to pay out the also Okuma or wine. And the Obia and the Okuma and our executive hub.
All right, and you know, I draw Pokia as an arm, and then you know, and supporters and fans have a PMO, our executive power, and in common, Union Fifi, yeah, and you know, team, your executive pub, our coupon, and paying major pharmacy, yes, or pay, and you know, executive pub, yes, your bar, and you know, giant screen power, and you see, and also enjoy a Ghana Portugal game. Obanswa, Yabenum, Yabedi, Ninginawa. Tuba na open we can crash on home. Now if Swaba na also what me aba enjoy. Now also have a few of the Ghana Portugal game. Krobia Sante and so ewa ha. The Krobia na baby sano and you know line up no senior Omunifa, the tactics are all sharing say Coach Otuaro, enemy right game no more, and the expectations going into the first half.
Okay,
come on.
There you budget Tama. Yaba Pepe Chuma. Kudos to Executive Pap say and then one more to me host your Command Radio 97.1. Hot of him off-law Command Janko Kata 2022. I don't think say from day one, that is from Sunday, no, all the stations are one more man it's me all the commentary so far as our FIFA World Cup games in a year concerned, and so far our command we've been loyal to our listeners and one more share on Facebook and so any YouTube, you know, say from day one, Jamu BPR live commentary and also a more name and then Executive Pap a host here and say to make him yet baby Pimu our Haron who has said this is the game a Dakan and Ipia Koma. So although one more show one displeasure say Ghana Black Stars Eka could lose this particular game. And one more shame say Ghana baby, you know, all in the name of Nioma BIM Penny for no ya, say and Konkai and Famayeno, and some of them too due to investment at their various sporting bets applications and also to me but I think looking at this particular game and you know lineup to me to coach I a friend of Fernando Santos from Portugal and coach Otuadua Womunano and so free and my one more day one starting 11 so no to me at the Atuga I think that Fernando Santos, coach for Portugal to me a few changes here. Now with players are virtually starters and are going into this particular game.